Anyway, here's how you can make the boogeyman. This guy. Anyway, eyes 97, head AC 173. Ignore my sister in the back. Anyway, eyebrows 22. Mouth 6,445. Hmm. $2,676 for the scarf. Oh great, this is gonna be hard. Oh no. Look at that. Look how easy that was. Look at that. Look how easy that was. Anyway, sleeves 59. Shirt 23. Pants 1. Shoes 17. Socks, just choose whatever one you want. Glove 3. Delete this. $4,470 for the spike hand. Oh god, the tail gonna be hard. Oh no. No. Oh, never mind then. 4,910 for tail spike, and I think that's it. Yep, and for the color. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. And then you're done.